Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Tanzania on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Tanzania eVisa website. So on the front page itself, you should scroll down, you have the option of new application and apply for a new visa. Tap on this, then it loads another page where you have to enter your email, passport number, passport issue country, security question, security answer, and then you have to tap on start new application. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. And then it shows you application ID and date, then tap on proceed to next step. So we have reached the main page. Okay, so we'll proceed. So the first tab has opened is the personal information tab. It has asked for first name, middle name, surname, gender, marital status, date and place of birth. This you can easily do, I don't have to explain anything, including nationality. So nationality at birth, let's say you are an Indian national, do it as per your own case. I'm just considering a sample. Present nationality, and I select city as surname. I'm gonna, so I put more sample information. Okay, tap on next. So it's asking for telephone number, mobile phone, email, present address, permanent address, employment information. So I'm gonna put that. Okay, so I have filled some sample information. Now anything you enter in these forms, make sure they are 100% correct and check at least 2 times. Okay. Yep. Next is passport type. Most of us will have ordinary. Now in the next page it's asking country where you are applying. So again, as per your case, nearest embassy. So I selected this one. Type of visa requested, I select ordinary. Purpose, I select leisure holiday, or you can also select tourism, whatever as per your case. If this is your first time, I select yes. Last is not applicable if you say first. Destination, I select Tanzania mainland. Port type, let's say airport. Port of entry, let's say you're going through this airport. Date of arrival, stay duration. Now next it is asked for travel plans and port of entry is coming date, duration, local host. I selected safe. Self, accommodation, where you're gonna stay, I select hotel. It's asking for hotel address. Now we have reached the main page where you're gonna upload your document. So it's gonna ask for your passport photo, passport biodata page, and return ticket. Very simple document they have asked. Next is gonna be confirmation and then declaration and paying the fee. Of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how you can do it yourself. This is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.